That cat kept catching pests with a back left scratch. Welcome to Quick Twists on Fluent American, where we look at one or two sounds in American English pronunciation and study it with a practice sentence. My name is Jeff, and today we're looking at the A sound and the sound. So for instance, had versus head. Let's start by looking at the A sound, like in cat. To make this sound, my mouth is wide. So firstly, open your mouth, ah, ah, the tip of your tongue, down, the back of your tongue, down, the middle of your tongue, high. So again, front, down, middle, high, back, down, mouth, wide, ah, ah, cat, cat. For the sound, like in the word get, your mouth is mostly closed. So close your mouth. The tip of your tongue you will push up. So the front of your tongue up, middle of your tongue up, back of your tongue slightly down. So again, mouth mostly closed, middle of your tongue high, front of your tongue high, back of your tongue down. Get. Mouth mostly closed and your lips are slightly tense. Head, had, head, had, said, sad, said, sad, pet, pat, pet, pat.
1, 2, 3.
That cat kept catching pests with a back left scratch. Left scratch. Back left. That cat kept catching pests. That cat kept catching pests. That cat kept catching pests with a back left scratch. That concludes this video on the A and the sound. For more individual information on both of these sounds, be sure to check out our videos on fluentamerican.com or also subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates on when the latest videos come out. Also, if you want to join us in practicing these sounds, be sure to find us on Facebook. You can search for Fluent American Accent Reduction and join our group. My name is Jeff. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope to see you in our next one. You take care.